Not all calories are created equal. Different foods go through different metabolic pathways in your body. They have vastly different effects on your hunger, hormones, and the number of calories you burn. Here is the list of foods that helps to reduce the obesity. 1. Citrus fruits. This diet provides an increased intake of citrus fruits such as lemons, grapefruits, oranges, and tangerines. Citrus fruits contain few calories, have a positive impact on your health, and promote weight loss. Citrus fruits contain carbohydrates, fiber, vitamin C, potassium, folate, calcium, thiamine, niacin, vitamin B6, phosphorus, magnesium, copper, riboflavin, pantothenic acid, and variety of phytochemicals. Citrus fruits improves the immunity and improves cardiac health and inhibits stone formation by binding to calcium, which makes it unable to bind with oxalate and form stones. Consuming oranges, lemons, and limes that contain a class of antioxidants called flavonoids may help reduce oxidative stress and help fight the harmful health effects of obesity. 2. Beans and legumes. Beans and other legumes promote burning of fats and calories. These foods tend to be high in protein and fiber, which are two nutrients that have been shown to lead to satiety. These foods helps to reduce insulin sensitivity and reduce sugar levels and helps to energize the body. Green beans and black soya beans are keto-friendly bean option, each containing only 2 grams of net carbs per half cup serving. Mild, tender black beans are packed with heart healthy nutrients, folate, antioxidants, and magnesium can help lower blood pressure. Their fiber helps control both cholesterol and blood sugar levels. 3. Whole grains. Whole grains have been shown to be a superior in the diet when compared with refined grains. Whole grains increased calorie loss by decreasing the number of calories retained during digestion while simultaneously speeding up metabolism. Researchers says the results suggest that incorporating whole grains into weight loss plans may help burn fat as well as reduce the risk of heart disease. One large study found that high fiber whole grains were associated with reduced abdominal fat, while refined grains were linked to increased abdominal fat. 4. Berries. Many studies suggest that blueberries may influence genes which regulate fat burning and storage, helping reduce abdominal fat and lower cholesterol. When combined with a low-fat diet, blueberries might also lower triglycerides and improve blood sugar levels, each benefits of comprehensive weight loss plan. Berries are a great source of fiber, an essential nutrient that improves digestion and helps beat bloat. Strawberries or raspberries will reduce belly fat. Your favorite blueberry smoothie or shake is actually more than a treat for your taste buds. 5. Avocados. Avocados are high in fiber, which promotes weight loss and metabolic health. High fiber foods help reduce appetite, decrease the risk of high blood pressure, and serve to lower your cholesterol levels. Avocados reverse your metabolism and are keto friendly even though they are high in carbohydrates. Avocados are high in fat and calories. Studies suggest that they can help you lose or maintain weight. As long as you eat them in reasonable amounts, avocados can definitely be part of an effective weight loss diet. 6. Salmon. Consuming salmon can help protect against heart disease by increasing levels of omega 3 fats, decreasing levels of omega 6 fats, and lowering triglycerides. An average 3-ounce fillet of cooked Atlantic salmon contains 23 grams of protein and 6 grams of fat, most of which is healthy unsaturated fat. Consuming salmon frequently can help you lose weight and keep it off. Like other high protein foods, it helps regulate the hormones that control appetite and make you feel full. Your metabolic rate increases more after eating protein rich foods like salmon compared to other foods. Both farmed and wild caught Alaskan salmon contain tons of protein and omega 3 fatty acids as well as key vitamins and minerals. It is also high in vitamin D, B12, B6 and is good source of magnesium, niacin, omega 3 fatty acids and selenium. 7. Spinach. Spinach are great for burning belly fat and are very nutritious as well. There have been some studies done on the subjects of the fat burning capability of spinach. Its low calorie, high nutrient combination make it an excellent weight loss food. Spinach can speed up the weight loss process and make it easier for you to shed those extra kilos. All you need to do is add just 1 cup of spinach and let the extra body fat leave you alone. Spinach is rich in insoluble fiber, which is the key elements which helps in weight loss. 8. Apple. Apple are low in calories and high in fiber with 116 calories and 5.4 grams of fiber per large fruit. Fresh and crunchy apples are packed with healthy flavonoids and fibers that may help burn belly fat. They are particularly rich in pectin fiber that breaks down slowly. The fibers present in apple promote satiety. If you feel full, you would naturally binge less. In one study, women were given 3 apples, 3 pears, or 3 hot cookies with the same calorie value per day for 10 weeks. With minimum effort, you should start losing weight. So, eating not 1 but 3 apples a day not only keeps the doctor away but also improves weight loss. 9. Cinnamon. Cinnamon has been shown to reduce some of the bad effects of eating high fat foods. This can help in overall weight loss plan. Its effect on blood glucose levels can also help your body ultimately lose weight. On the other hand, helps you lose visceral fat and supports weight loss. Antimicrobial, antiparasitic properties of cinnamon make it one of the healthiest spices of all time. It helps lower blood pressure, cholesterol, boosts insulin function and metabolism as well. 10. Purple sweet potatoes. Purple potatoes are rich in important nutrients which can help you stay healthy as you lose weight. They are considered as a low glycemic foods that do not cause an instant spike in blood sugar levels, further helping maintain weight efficiently. Purple sweet potatoes are incredibly filling, thus making you less likely to snack. Thanks for watching. Please hit the like button, share the video and subscribe the channel.